A day at the market. The morning sun shines brightly as Emma steps outside. Today is market day, and she is excited. Her basket swings gently as she walks down the busy street. People hurry past, chatting and laughing. The air smells fresh flowers, bread, and ripe fruit mix into a warm, inviting scent. Emma reaches the market. It is full of colors and sounds: red apples, yellow bananas, green lettuce. Vendors call out their prices and customers talk and bargain. She stops at the fruit stall and smiles at the seller. "Hello," she says politely. "How much are the apples?" The seller, a friendly old man, points to the red apples. "These are $1 each," he says. "The green ones are a little cheaper, 90 cents each." Emma thinks for a moment. She loves red apples. "I'll take 3 red apples, please," she says. The man puts the apples in a paper bag and hands them to her. "That will be $3. Emma takes the money from her purse and gives it to him. "Thank you." She walks to the vegetable stall next. The smell of fresh herbs fills the air. There are bright orange carrots, deep green spinach, and shiny tomatoes. She sees a woman choosing cucumbers and asks, "Excuse me, how much are the carrots?" The woman smiles. "Oh, the carrots are very fresh today. The seller said they are $2 per bag." Emma nods and turns to the vendor. "I'll take 1 bag, please." The vendor quickly packs the carrots. "Would you like anything else?" he asks. Emma looks around. The tomatoes shine under the sunlight. "How much are the tomatoes?" "These are $3 per kilogram." She picks up 2 tomatoes, weighing them in her hands. "I'll take half a kilogram." The vendor smiles and packs them carefully. She hands him the money and thanks him. Emma walks further through the market, enjoying the lively atmosphere. She sees a bakery selling warm bread. The smell is delicious. She stops to look. The baker notices her. "Would you like to try a fresh loaf? It just came out of the oven." Emma can't resist. She buys a small loaf and takes a bite. It is soft, warm, and perfect. Her basket is now full. Fruits, vegetables, and bread, everything she needs. She walks home with a happy heart. Today, she learned new words, asked questions, and made good choices. The market is a wonderful place.